Steve, you better cut this out, otherwise I'm gonna fire you. Hello, welcome to Annie Buns. Now guys, this is a must-share recipe. So I'm not even going to say this at the end of the video, I'm saying it now. Share this video, like the video, subscribe to the channel, get the word out there. This recipe is absolutely divine. It just all came to me and I decided to stuff a chicken. It is to die for, but this is one of those recipes where the main important thing is to do the chicken the way that I say to do the chicken. The rest of it is all up to you. So let's begin. Okay, so yes, I have done chicken before, but this is a must. I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do, and but you follow only what I put in here, technically. This is a murbai recipe, so there's no quantities. You just have to do it. Okay, so I've got parboiled potatoes. I got a packet of mushrooms. Here we go. I've got some cauliflower, broccoli, an onion that I circled. I've got a whole chicken, most important. I've got some cheese. This is probably just over a cup of grated cheese. I've got butter. This is real butter, not margarine. So this is proper butter. Cheese spread, garlic, herbs, some, what do you call this? Lemon juice. And I've got some mustard. Got a little bowl. So this is the important stuff. This is add-ons to make it nice. Where shall we begin? If you don't have butter, real butter, and you don't have garlic, you don't have herbs, you can get those, I know Parmalat makes it, little chewy, that garlic butter, or you can just buy garlic butter and use that if you want to. But I'm starting from scratch. So I'm running out of knives. Yep, okay, spoon it is. So there's a scoop of butter. If I have to guess, it's about 100 grams. Just guesstimate. So I've got a whole chicken, so yeah, let's say this is about just over 100 grams of butter, I think. My babes, please come here. Please open. Thank you. Bye. Then, okay, I'm going to say a quarter of a big bottle of cheese spread. The reason I wanted to do those two together first, I want to pop this in the microwave for about 10 seconds, just to soften it, not to melt it. I'm not drinking anything today, not in this video. I mean, I haven't been able to drink alcohol for a month because it's been banned. Okay, so softened. Don't want it to melt, I just want it to soften. I'm going to add some garlic. So the amount of garlic is all up to you. We like garlic, so I'm going to put about a teaspoon of garlic in. This is oregano and my famous Italian herbs, like so much, and a squirt of mustard. It's almost finished. Oops. Don't make such noises. Excuse me. We stir that all in together. Add some cheese in. You do want it to be nice and stiff. So if you want to, you can stop watching the video, stuff this in your chicken, and there you go. Goodbye. For the rest of you who like watching the rest of my videos and would like to see what I do with the rest, stay tuned. I'm going to put this aside. Something I didn't mention, a bag. Maybe not this big though. Got a very big, large dish. Okay. And then we're going to take Mrs. Chicken. I just spread and cook the pan. Take Mrs. Chicken and undo her legs. And just make sure there's nothing inside, all clean on the inside. I'm just going to take this excess skins here and I'm just going to cut it off. I don't want to cut myself and I'm not using the knife correctly. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take our mixture that we just made and then shove all of that into the chicken. Open wide. I'm just going to, bit of a messy job, but fun. Come now. It's quite full. So the little bit that's left, I just shoved a little bit on the side there. Because while it's baking, it's going to melt anyway. And it's going to go all over the pan. Okay, so there is your chicken. Okay, so technically speaking, you can put this in the oven. Cover it with tin foil, put it in the oven for an hour and a half, and you're done. But we are doing veggies with it. So, Madam Chicken, please step aside. Okay, what do we do with this bag? Put it open like that, and you're going to put all your veggies in the bag. Okay, this is way too much for that, but okay. Oops. Okay. All the veggies are now in the bag. Now we are going to put some oil in the bag. It's up to you how much oil you want to put in. Add some aromat, not much, a little bit of salt, and some chicken spice. Okay, so I'm putting all the spices in the vegetables, not on the meat. So once you've put in all the spices that you want and all the oil and the spices, oil of your choice and all that, you're just gonna mix it all together. Twist the bag so it doesn't open when you put it upside down. Okay, mixed veggies. Gonna put the mixed veggies into here. So the lemon juice is just to put on top of the chicken. You can put as much lemon juice on as you want to. The lemon juice actually just helps the chicken go a little bit softer. You might not put all of the veggies in, might be too much. This chicken is bigger than last time. The veggies that's left, I'm just going to bake later on. I do want to stick all these veggies on. I really do. Am I going to make it happen? I'm making it happen. Okay, so chicken is completely covered with veggies, but at least it's getting some spices and stuff like that. No one saw that. Tin foil. Okay, so I've got tin foil. We put the tin foil over with the shiny side facing the chicken. Okay, bake this for an hour. Then you take the tin foil off and you put it in for like 15 minutes or so, just to brown the top. If you put it in too long, then the veggies might start burning. Ow, oven hot. I see you guys in an hour's time. Okay, I'm back. So the chicken has been in the oven for an hour. So I'm going to take it out and then see what it looks like and then put it back without the tin foil. Oh my goodness, this thing is heavy. Okay, close the oven. Get careful that you don't burn yourself because I do that often. Oh my word, look at that. So of course everything shrinked a little bit. The veggies aren't completely soft yet. I think I'm going to leave it in another half an hour. Tin foil back on. Oh! Okay, it's been another half an hour. So, holy crap, I forget how heavy this is. Let's see. Yeah, everything is cooked. It looks a bit pale right now because it hasn't grilled. It's about 10-15 minutes just for it to brown on the top, and then we can dish up. Back you go. Okay, so I've had the chicken in for another 15 minutes, and you can grill yours a little bit longer if you want to, but I'm starving. I have to taste this chicken. Oh wait, this is fantastic. Okay, so like, subscribe, share, comment, all that jazz. And make it. Let me know what you think if you've made it. And let me know what you think of the recipe. Comment. I like comments. Come on, people, please. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Wait, where's my beer? Oh crap, my beer's finished. Oh well, I'll take another one.